about 4 years since we've been running as a vet program. Previous to that, we ran as a conservation program. And I felt the need for a vet program in this area was very strong, and we shifted over to a vet program. The program is important because what we do is we try and introduce young vet students to the field of veterinary medicine in the 3 different fields: small animal practice, large animal practice, and then wild animals with game capture, that sort of thing. What I really like about this job, you're working with sort of very intelligent young people that are really at the beginning of their lives wanting to become vets, and all sorts of fields within the veterinary medicine. And it is very stimulating for somebody like myself to be working with people like that. What does a student do on a typical day? Okay, a typical day, you would get out of bed at about 7 o'clock. We have a number of different sites that we go to. Some of them we do sort of small animal practice, we do commercial farming, we do community work, we do obviously game capture. So this would involve traveling, and we have sites near Hog's Back, we have sites near Carmouth, we have sites near Cathcart, and then we've got the Cinsa site, which is the main site. That's where we come back to every weekend. And a typical day would be getting up at 7 o'clock, driving to one of these sites. It's about an hour's drive, and then starting work at about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, working through the day, having lunch, and then knocking off at about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. What's happening with the program over the next 12 months? What we've done is, over time, as we find there's requirements for the program, we have brought in a clinic which people go to. There's vets over there that you work under. We hoping over the next 2 years to increase the academic side of the whole program by bringing in a much stronger element around physiology, pharmacology, the stuff that you'd need to study as a vet to try and sort of improve the program. The programs, we try and improve it all the time. And we've grown in the last 4 years. We've grown, and we hope to continue growing over into the future. What advice would I have to people coming to this project? I would say it is a project that if you're wanting to go into veterinary medicine, I would strongly advise you to come to this project. The reason, because we will expose you to the maximum amount of sort of the different facets of veterinary medicine. The other thing that we'll do is also you'll make friends, and we try and have a very strong social life here. And in other words, we want you to enjoy yourself and also experience South Africa as a country. We expose you over the weekends. You can go away to a number of different places where you can enjoy yourself for the weekend, and we try and sort of get you involved with the local community from looking after their dogs. And then also sort of the social life that we have around the town here, we try and introduce you to that as well.